Good afternoon, folks. Mike coming to you from Mike's Wheelchair CityStead. Today we're going to have some tomato 202. This is something I learned a while back, just now trying it. What I got here is a cutting off of a tomato that I pruned. We can see it's got some roots growing on it there. I don't think we're going to start with that one. I think we're going to start with one of these over here. Yeah, that's got better roots on that one, as you can see. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this tomato and we're going to set it over here amongst this cut right here. And let's figure out how we're going to do this here. Yeah. Brain ain't working too good. I gotta have 3 hands and I ain't got 3 hands here. So let's see if we can do the next best thing. Can you see what's going on? I think you folks can see good enough. I'm gonna take this cutting and I'm going to drop it over here, and we're fixing it up with this magic soil, and we're going to see what happens in a day or two. Hopefully this is going to be the start of a brand new tomato seed. And we didn't let any pruning go to waste, because this is how I got that. Just something I wanted to try. We got her packed down good now. Okay, you're going to come back to me now, maybe. We're going to do a little dressing up on this plant here. We're going to get those scissors. We're going to get rid of that one. We're going to get rid of that one. We got a little head in right there that's sucking our energy away. We're going to get rid of that one right there that's sucking energy. Well, we're just going to get rid of that one all the way down to the phone there. As you can see, I am not a good video photographer at all. I'm going to leave that one leaf there. So now we're just going to take that plant and leave it be. So this is just a little short video coming to you from Mike at the CityStead. And that's about it today, folks. I'm going to have some more videos coming a little more frequently, I hope. Good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. And tomorrow, I'll try to see if I can't do a little ride through of what I got started. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and God bless you all. Thank you now. Bye-bye.